Welcome to BC Gnomonics. In this video, we'll be exploring the results of orienting an armillary sphere true north. Now, as you can see, I've placed a small sticker indicating the current date, that being the beginning of Virgo. With the sphere set to my current latitude of 45 degrees north, and this sticker placed on the eastern horizon, we're all set to model the movement of the sun throughout the day. Now, with the dial oriented north, I can extrapolate this position outward, this eastern position, and identify exactly where the sun will rise in the true sky. Likewise, as I rotate the dial, or the armillary sphere, the path it traces out is in fact the same path that the real sun will trace out in the real sky. And by having this sphere oriented north, I can see exactly where that path will be. As it crosses the local meridian and indicates solar noon, I can expect to see the sun in this exact position, simply extrapolated outward and upward to the actual sky. And indeed, that is where we can find the sun, as it is right about true solar noon at this exact moment. Now, we can also track the position of the sun as it falls into the western side of the sky and eventually sets on this western horizon. Now, likewise, we can extrapolate that outward and know that the sun will set in that general direction on the other side of the house here. Now, of course, this particular armillary sphere doesn't feature scales on the local horizon with which to measure the exact rising and setting points of the sun, but simply by observing where the ecliptic point travels, a rough estimation can be made as to the sun's rising and setting location. Now, the armillary sphere is a very educational tool in isolation, but by orienting it true north, it gives you perhaps an even more intuitive sense of the actual movement of the sun, as any given point on the armillary sphere can be extrapolated outward and modeled and seen currently on the true celestial sphere. Especially at noon, it's easy to see how this model can be used to instill an expanded awareness of the practicality of this sort of model, as the sun is indeed right there in the sky where it is on the model. Now, that will conclude this video, and I thank you for watching.